Hello guys, today me and my friend are playing this game called Dark Secret. Also credits to my very special classmate, John Lay. Since I am scared of horror games, I will quit easily. Also, let's go. This was also single player, brew. I have to complete it. Joking, I will not finish the game. Anyways, let's go. Very spooky place. I am pretty scared. Look my character. Let's go. I like the animations already. Big W to we make it. Note. Scary note. What do I do here? Oh, the box. Oh, here. I took that long. Vent. What are these eyeballs? Go back. Box again. I'm scared. Another note. I'm a fast forward. Look platform. Yup, that's it, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. See ya!